Hello? Check this out. This earbud case has a screen. How cool is that? It completely eliminates the need to use your phone for control and can do all sorts of fun things like managing playback and adjusting the volume. Plus, it has 3 levels of ANC noise cancellation modes. One feature I really love is the remote function. I can use it to watch short videos on my phone and even take photos from a distance. If I lose one of the earbuds, it will make a sound to help me find it. Absolutely worth the money if you like it. The link is right there.